What's going on, guys? Xavier here from Xavier's Marketing Man Cave. Guys, today I'm doing a review on secrets to turning junk into gold on eBay. Okay, let's go over to the sales page so you guys get an idea of what this is all about. Now, this is by a guy named Will Allen. All right. Now, the call to action, the headline says, "Here's how I easily make 1,245 per month in my spare time with no website, no list, no social media, no paid advertising, no local marketing, no Amazon, and no product creation." All right. In the sales page, you'll see, the usual stuff: a picture of the creator of the product, proof of earnings. This is PayPal. Always with that, you'll have testimonials. He's got those two on here. Shows you how long he's been a member for on eBay. 2016. Testimonials. Maybe you can find these people on Facebook if you want to ask them any personal questions in regards to the product. Now, good thing to know: 30-day eBay profit, or else it's free. 100% ironclad money back guarantee. It's always a good thing to know. Okay. So, now the price tag for this one, it's $10. Okay. It's not going to break the bank if you want to test it out. I picked up a copy. So let's go to the presentation, guys. So let's click on here. Okay, what will you get when you buy this product? Okay, you'll get 8 videos with this course. You will get a bonus file with advanced training videos that will include 6 videos. Now, I hadn't gone over the training video, so I didn't include it in this presentation, but I did open up the file and kind of glanced at the stuff and the videos, and it's definitely for when you actually get your feet wet already, when you're already got some notches on your belt or whatnot, and you've already have a bit of experience. Then it'd be good to go over these advanced steps. From looking at the titles of the videos, it looks like it's good stuff to digest. Like when you're ready to take off the training wheels, so to speak. Okay. What's inside this course? Finding products to sell around your house. Now, let me be more specific when it comes to this. He teaches you how to find items that you no longer use in your house, but specific items. I'll give you an example. He teaches not to sell big items for the simple fact that it's going to cost a lot to ship it over because of the weight, and it's going to mess with your profit. So he teaches you how to sell smaller objects. So yeah, you'll see if you're interested and you want to get involved into more detail. Okay, let's move on. Okay, places online and offline to find stuff to sell. All right. So yeah, this is a very much, in my opinion, offline type of business. There is places you can go online to buy these things. So don't get me wrong, you can go online or offline, but eventually, anytime you have to ship stuff over and stuff like that, it's definitely offline. So this tailors to a particular crowd, people who are willing to get involved in the offline business and want to steer away from selling downloadable digital products. This will be a great fix for you guys. Moving on to 3, how to open a PayPal account. He teaches you how to open a personal PayPal account. And then later on, he'll break it down on how to link everything together so you can get paid. 4, what kind of products to promote. All right. He'll show you what kind of products to go after which are more convenient, which ones will make you more money. All right, 5 tips and tricks that will make things easier and more profitable for you. Now, I found this pretty damn useful. If I was one day considering going offline, the tips and tricks that he had on here, that he has on these videos, were stuff that I was just like, it's good to know that, because if I started out, out of the blue, if it just occurred to me that it might be a good idea to sell stuff on eBay, without knowing, I'm sure I would have ran into a lot of mistakes. And these tips and tricks definitely was kind of an eye opener for me. And we're like, that's interesting. I didn't know that. So that's how you can make more bang for your buck. Okay, moving on. How to open an account on eBay. You'll look over his shoulder as he opens an eBay account. It's pretty cut and dry. How to do product research and see what's selling and what's not. Now, this is what I found really, really useful. For those, if I was interested in going offline one day, this stuff right here, the product research he shows on here, there's a particular item that he shows that if you find anywhere, definitely buy it and sell it. And it's a product that I was just like, wow, really? I would have never imagined that. But it goes to show you how important it is to do research. And he'll show you how to do research in these videos and where to look to do proper research on particular products and see what's selling and what's not selling. So when you go to these places, you'll have a good idea of what to go after to buy. All right. And then the last one is how to set up a payment account on PayPal so you can get paid. Remember I told you that later on he'll break it down to you on how to finish your PayPal account. So yeah, guys, this is basically the course in a nutshell. It's good stuff. Definitely, like I said, it's definitely tailored for people who want to go offline with their business and are tired of selling digital products online. But I recommend this. I recommend this course. Like I said, I went over the videos. It's a lot of good stuff. You could tell he knows what he's talking about, and he's definitely in the business, like pretty deep. But yeah, I would definitely consider this product. I'm not promoting this product, so you won't find an affiliate link for it in the description. So just a heads up. If you guys are interested in the product, this is a Warrior Plus product. And if you type in this URL, you'll land right on the sales page where you can pick up your copy for $10. Guys, that's it for this review. Don't forget to subscribe, ring the bell notifications. Also, I'm giving away a free Facebook script tool in the description. You'll see the link for it. You'll also see a link where you could subscribe and maybe some additional links on offers I do recommend. Okay, but that's my time, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.